All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Now, this is just a small relative update to let you guys know of a certain situation that is in camp. Not nothing serious, but I'm just curious that this happened and they didn't even really find the need to inform the public. I don't know why, but smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, people, and I'll definitely. Remember, we're trying to grow, people. We're trying to grow, so you guys have to hit that subscriber button. All right, so let me jump. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right now. I'm gonna show what I'm talking about right now. So for those who don't know, this year is Jevani Brown, player from Exeter City, that joined us recently. Now, this was actually yesterday. This was yesterday. Where is the player? The player is actually in Exeter City. Exeter City FC. He joined up back with this team, I think yesterday, and he actually played in the is it the EFL Cup? Let me see if I can find. Good. This is it. Exeter City, a huge boost for ECFC as Jevani Brown has returned from international duty and will more than likely be available for a Sunday away trip to Accrington. So now we will be without Jevani Brown. This was on the 16th. We will be without Jevani Brown for the next 3 games: Chatterton, Gillingham, and Accrington. Jevani Brown will represent Jamaica for the Austrian mini tournament. So initially they expected him not to be there, and then now all of a sudden on the 23rd he's in the squad. On the 23rd he's in the squad. Let me show you something, people. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. This year is the Jamaica Football Federation answering to someone on their posts, and I didn't see it. I never saw it at all. A person asked, "No, Jevani Brown." Under the post, Jeff said, "Unfortunately, he went back to his club." There was no need to inform anyone about it. And I'm like, so if someone never asked, we wouldn't know. Come on, this is a simple matter. Maybe it could be that they just don't want, they never wanted to highlight it, and did something happen? I'm not sure, but definitely it seems as if they didn't want to highlight it, because if a player leave camp, went back to his club, and played basically the same day that he went back, come on. Let me show you what happened. Because he played in a game and they went straight to see it here. This is for the game yesterday. 6 changes for ECFC. In come Scott Brown, Pierce Sweeney, Jonathan Grounds, Josh Key, and Jevani Brown and Josh Coley onto the bench drop. Exactly. So he came into the squad and immediately replaced someone on the same day that he arrived. This is here. This is some of the match details against Gillingham. Lee's left-footed drive from just over 20 yards is held by Scott Brown. Jevani Brown, at the other hand, attempt to chip Jake Turner with the keeper having come out to clear a ball into the box. His effort goes way over the top. And this is it. Exodine with an unmarked header from Ding with an unmarked header from Jevani Brown corner. So what I'm saying is he participated yesterday. This was what Exeter had to say. That's right, Jevani Brown has withdrawn from the Jamaica squad and is available for tonight's game. So my question is, what is really happening? What is this about? What is this really about? I would. I'm telling the people, I would love to know. I would really love to know. I would definitely love to know what is this about. I definitely don't understand it. I wish I do, but boy, boy, oh boy, oh boy. I wish I understand what's going on here, people. But for me, this one is a surprise for me. I'm telling the truth, people. This one is definitely a surprise for me. Um, Never really expected this, uh, and it's not anything huge, like that, But all I'm saying is, let the fans know what's happening. Let us know what's happening. It's just courtesy. Let us know what's happening. A player returned because the funny thing is that there were other people looking out for that player. His family could be looking out for him. Um, his relatives, his girlfriend, his wife, whosoever it is, they would be looking out for him. Maybe his kids, they definitely would be looking out for him. And when they're looking, his name is not on the team sheet. His name is not on the starting 11 or the team sheet. And questions are, where's Jevani Brown? There's no announcement. There's nothing being said. Questions will be asked. So these are some areas that I personally believe that JFF need to fix up on. These are some very, very vital areas and key areas they need to fix up on. I'm not sure if you don't want it to be announced. I'm not really sure if you don't want it to be announced. But I do believe that these things are quite important. It's important to people who are watching the game, specifically family members, friends, people who are looking out to see that particular person. And when they don't, they will ask questions. If that one person didn't ask question, it wouldn't even highlight it that he was not in the squad. Because everyone is looking out for their individual personals. Come on, JFF, fix up on that. Fix up, fix up. I do believe that definitely needs some fixing up on. Anyways, people, hopefully you guys are good. Make sure you guys smash the like button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Alright, people. Boom.